giant macaron cake filled with buttercream and candies is surely going to impress your friends and family. Nyam Nyam brings to you this lovely macaron cake that is made with caster sugar, butter, eggs, flour and some food colour. So, let's get started. All you need is 227 grams of caster sugar and the same in butter. Whisk that together in a mixing bowl. Add 4 eggs to that, whisk that in too, and then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 2 cups of self-raising flour with a pinch of baking powder. Whisk it all together with blue food dye. Right, that's going to be separated out into 2 baking tins to bake at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we get 114 grams of caster sugar and the same in butter. Mix those together in a bowl and add 2 eggs this time. Whisk it all up and add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 114 grams of self-raising flour. Bake that at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Let it cool, and meanwhile you're going to start perfecting your blue cake. So we're going to just tidy it up, add some buttercream frosting, tidy it up again and cover it in blue fondant icing, cutting off the excess. Now we're going to get our vanilla cake and we're going to just cut the middle out. Turning your blue cake upside down, then putting on some icing to stick your ringed vanilla cake on top, filling the middle with candy. Add some more buttercream to stick on the final blue cake, which we have decorated just like we did the first one. Some more buttercream goes in the middle of those 2 slices and some pretty blue buttercream around the edge. Slice that up and look at your gorgeous candy-filled giant macaron cake.